Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be building an image converter kind of application in Node.js Express. So basically this will be a converter which will convert WP BP files here, so Webp files which you see inside your YouTube thumbnails also. So basically I will choose, let's suppose, a PNG file. So I have PNG file and then I will be converted to Webp files here. So if I click convert image, this file will be downloaded. You will see that as an attachment. If I choose open this file, you will see this is a WebP file. If I save this image, you will see this extension coming here, WebP. You can see that this is a very famous extension in images. So you can even upload a WP file and convert to PNG files. So here I can just change the path to PNG, and here we need to replace a method which is DWP, and here you just need to replace -o. So this is just a library, Node.js library that I am using. If I now refresh, so instead of passing PNG image, you can pass here, go to downloads, and let's suppose we pass here WP image. If I convert image, you will see that it will convert to this PNG image. So you can convert back and forth. You can even choose JPG also. So it totally depends upon your application, what application you are making. So all the source code for this application is given in the video description. Go to the video description and then you will be redirected to my blog where all the source code will be present. So let's get started by building this application. So first of all guys, I will delete all the source code and start this application from scratch. So for this application, as I already told you, we are using a Node.js library. So let me just first of all make a simple Express server. So app.listen, so we will be listening on port 4000. So in the second parameter there will be a callback function which will be app is listening on port 4000, and now simply we will set the view engine as well. So we are using the EJS view engine. So here you can just pass here app.set view engine, and in the second parameter you can pass EJS, and then when we make a home request, we can pass this template inside the second argument response.render. So index, that's it. And now to make this template, make a views folder. Inside the views folder, make a index.ejs file, and right here we will use a Bootstrap template. So here we have included the Bootstrap CSS, and this is jQuery, and right here we will have a simple heading which is Webp image converter. So we need to also give it a class of text center, and we also need to wrap it inside the container class of Bootstrap. So this will give some margin and the padding. So close the div tag and also make a break tag, and after this break tag, and then we will have a simple form. The action will go to this route which will be Webp to image, and after this guys, we will be having inside this form a simple input field which will be input type of file, and the name I will give as image. So also we will be attaching a form control class of Bootstrap. So after this we will have a simple button which will say, so this will have a red color, and also this will button block, so this will give it a full width. So then we will simply say convert image, and at this moment of time if I reload this, you will see this is my interface, Webp image converter. This is my input control. Here I can choose any sort of file, and then if I click this button convert image, it will redirect to cannot get web to image. So basically this is not a get method, this is a post method. So we need to assign a property of method which will be post here, and also encoding type will be multi-part form data. That's it. So now we need to make this post route. So you need to write here app.post. So Webp to image, this is the route we call this. and after this takes 2 parameter request response. And now first of all guys, we need to upload the image that we are submitting. So make a uploads directory right here inside your root directory. So here all the uploaded files will be there. So let me just delete all the uploaded files, delete it. So for this specific file uploading task, we are using Malta. So this is a file uploading library, so you need to require Malta, and then we will be going to the documentation of Malta. So basically, in order to upload, this is, I think there is a boilerplate code which is there inside Malta. This is a code. I can simply copy paste it, and right here after this I can paste it. So here after this we can have also the file dot file name. That's it. You can just concatenate also the file name, so which will include the extension also. So just write this, and also here we will change our uploads, this to upload slash. Since we are using this uploads folder, so we are just changing the folder name. So here we all the images will be stored. So now right here inside guys, sorry, this is an arrow function, so we need not have to write function. So out here we will be passing our after this guy, let me just I think I haven't copy pasted this, so also paste it here. So this is a middleware function, you can see that we have copy pasted it. So now we just need to simply use this middleware function. So upload request response and also error. So if any kind of error take place in uploading the files, we can throw it the error, but if the file is successfully uploaded, we can simply get the path like this, request.file.path. So now we can simply check if it is working or not. So basically if I go back to the application, so if I choose the file, let's suppose whichever file we need to upload, let's suppose this file, convert image. So it is simply saying cannot post to web2 image. I think I have made a mistake inside. If I check here, webp to image. Let me just see the route here. If the route is there, let me just change this to the home route, just the home route. So now if I once again refresh it, if I choose a file, let's suppose this webp file, once again convert image, so it is saying to us that upload is not a function. So oh sorry, this needs to be, we also need to assign here, we need to upload a single file. So here we will pass here image. So image will be the name attribute, whatever name attribute that you have assigned to your input field. So this is a, I have initialized image here, you need to pass image here. So we will be uploading single file at a time. And now if you refresh it, you will not see error. If I choose a file, let's suppose this file PNG, convert image, and now if I check the console, you will see the path here. And if I check the uploads directory, one file will be uploaded. Why it is having this error, let me just see. Let me just see that code here guys, just really quickly. Simply paste it here. So I think this has to do with this. Let me just again copy paste it. So initialize storage here. Since all the code is there inside the video description, you can check the code here. So this is file.original name. So sorry guys, this needs to be file.original name. So that was a problem. So that is why the extension was not showing. So once again, if I delete this file and once again go to the home route, and now if I select a file, So the file uploading process is pretty simple, but in this video I am finding it too very difficult. What is there? No such directory. Oh, sorry guys, this needs to be, just replace uploads here. Choose a file. Let me choose this file, click convert image, and now you will see that this is there. This is the image. Now the image is uploaded inside the uploads directory. Now the process is pretty simple. We need to import the library which will actually carry out the conversion process. This is a library, guys, Webp converter. It has got weekly downloads of 1827. So the command is pretty simple: npm i Webp converter. I have already downloaded it. What you have to do is that you need to simply first of all require this library at the very top. So go to your app.js, require this library. After requiring it, what you need to do, you need to copy paste this code here, and wherever you once your image is uploaded, right here, pasted this code here. So simply it is taking the JPG file. So here you will replace the path of the image which is uploaded. So we will write here request.file.path, and this is the output file name. So output file name, so here this will be we can construct the output file name. Let's suppose here output path. So this will be equal to, we need to give it a random path every time this is downloaded. So we can use date.now function, and then we can concatenate this by result.wpp. And now instead of passing hard-coded path here, we can pass a dynamic path which is there inside output path. So this third argument is very much important, -q80. And instead of console logging it, we can download it as an attachment. So this is pretty simple, response.download, and then we can pass the output part. That's it. So this will download it as an attachment. So now if I test the application, you will see this will be working. If I refresh here, if I choose this file here, let's suppose this file, in this case I need to choose either PNG or JPG. I am choosing JPG file. Convert this image. You can see that it has successfully converted it, and now this is the image which is opened here. It has also uploaded inside this uploads directory, and you can even repeat this process for, let's suppose, if you want to convert a Webp image to a PNG or JPG, then you can use this method which is DWP. So there are two methods, CWP and DWP. So now we will use the second method, and here I need to simply change this to third option to -o, and here we need to change the direct input file name, output file name to PNG. So this will be converting the Webp files to PNG. So if I refresh here, if I choose any kind of Webp file, let's suppose this file, convert image, you will see. And now let me just show you the practical example of this application. So how you will use this application. So many a times YouTube thumbnails are not there inside the PNG or JPG formats. So if I go to YouTube and right click any of the thumbnails which are appearing here, let's suppose this thumbnail, if I save this image, you will see that this will come as a WP file, and many a time there will be not be available as PNG or JPG. So in that case, if I download this, so many a time this WP file will not be accessible to any of the video editor or image editor. So in that case, you can choose the file here inside this application, and you can convert to JPG or EMG. Let me see here. Let me choose the file which we have downloaded, convert image, and now you will see your PNG image is downloaded. So this is a PNG image, guys. You can see that instantly we have downloaded the YouTube thumbnail. So in this way, guys, you can use this practical application, WP converter. to PNG and JPG. All the source code is there inside the video description. Please like the video, share the video, and please subscribe the channel also and hit the notification bell icon. And I will be seeing you in the next video.